How to check Roblox ban history. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox. Click on More located at bottom right corner of your screen. Then scroll down to Help and Safety. Click on Help and Safety. Then in here, click on Violation and Appeals, which is below Help. After you click on it, in here you will find all your Roblox ban history. As you can see, I have none, so there is no ban history. But if you had any ban history before on Roblox, you will find it in here. You can also appeal something not shown as a support. And this is how to check Roblox ban history. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.